Alright guys, we are here at Findingnick's car meet. Here we got a Nissan GT-R 35 and check this out. This is a right-hand drive R35 in America. That's crazy. We got a couple more GT-Rs and the show just started, so there aren't that many people yet. But I hear something. Yes, GT3 RS. Look at that dog. Hello. More GTRs coming in. And here we have Findingnick's R35. What do you guys think about the wrap? That's the same wrap on Alex Choi's Huracan. The backed Supras. Very nice. We got F-Spots, Superleggera here, super loud. The cops are here already.
That's pretty funny. Rolling in at the same time.
Well, party is over.
I think they're like having a chat or something.
Well, we're getting kicked out. That is loud. So far,
it doesn't help that the cop is blocking.
yeah, I know. I was just gonna say, right? Well. So there's a cop there and there's a cop here and they told us to leave. Like, how are we gonna leave if they just block all of us in? Very logical.
Let's hear this guy.
We got F-Spot in front. We're going to a little cruise here. Oh, it's a Gallardo. Oh, without a bumper. Wait, what? Well, let's check the rear. Yo. Whoa. Look at that turbo. Holy crap. Got this 2 Chazzy single triple swapped Gallardo and it's gated too. It's crazy. You can see the transmission is exposed in the back. 345. Wow.
Diffuser, massive wing, this is the body panel.
Chazzy. Jay-Z swapped. It's gated too. Before we continue, shout out to today's video sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber makes awesome products such as this slim design, slim wallet made out of genuine carbon fiber. You can throw away your old bulky wallet and switch to Simply Carbon Fiber's wallet. I got all my cash and cards here. Look at the difference between my new and old wallet. For all car guys and girls out there, we all love carbon fiber. So go to simplycarbonfiber.com and use code SPEED10 to get 10% off. Click on the links in the description below. Second location.
Look at the view too. Nice to see in the light.
Oh, here we go. Oh boy. Got the Senna doors. Respect to this guy. This car is gutted. No side fenders, no bumpers, no rear bumpers, aided, no interiors. Single turbo 2JZ.